Hi, my name's Abbey, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abbey, we're going to be making...
Cauliflower bites!
There's a lot of names.
Cauliflower wings,
Buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings made with cauliflower. Listen people, this is our third time making them, and all 3 times have been completely different. These, very crispy, very good. The last time, very soggy, very gross. You can bake them straight up. You can bake them and put sauce on them. We're gonna make them with a yummy sweet and sour dipping sauce because who doesn't love dipping? Dipping is amazing. Why cauliflower bites? Why not chicken wings? You know, we should probably make chicken wings. I was thinking we could probably make like 3 different kinds of chicken wings. Sound good?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Barbecue.
But we're getting ahead of ourselves. This is not the chicken wing show. This is the buffalo wing show. So, Abby, where can people find today's fine recipe?
Here or at cookingwithabby.com.
Excellent. And shall we get started?
Yeah.
We shall. We've opted to divide our tasks, which we often do because that makes a lot of sense. Now, Rebecca, pretty good with a big knife, but you know what? We'll let Abby play with the big knives. Rebecca, how about you take our dry ingredients for our batter, put them in that big old bowl and mix them up a little bit with a fork. Now, I have full confidence in you, Abby, but I'm still gonna take the big old knife here and I'm gonna cut these bad boys in half. Why 2 cauliflower, you may ask? Because, as you said, kind of small, right? Now, if you take the smaller one, you can kind of cut out the core here a little bit. All right, and then you can get some smaller florets. So I'll let you do that. So we'll leave this one on the side for now because it's very pretty and photo-esque. Look good? And we're looking for bite size. So here, yeah, that's good, that works. Excellent. Hey, aren't we flying through this? My goodness gracious me, we're gonna be done in like 3 seconds here. What are we gonna do for the rest of the afternoon? Party. No, we're not. We're gonna eat cauliflower bites. We're gonna finish cutting up this. We're gonna finish mixing up this. Then we're gonna toss this in this. So we'll be right back for the Tossy McTossy. Our florets, this doesn't kind of roll off the tongue. Our cauliflower. Our cauliflower is cut up into bite-sized pieces. You don't want them too small, you don't want them too big. Rebecca, how about you dump about half of them into the yummy batter here? Abby is gonna toss them. You got caught in your apron.
It smells very good.
Yeah, you're ultimately looking for about 4 cups. So we cut up those 2 mini ones. The big beautiful one, yeah. It
had nothing.
It looked big and beautiful, but it had no food in it. You are looking to coat them fully, which Abby is doing here beautifully.
Thank you.
I find the batter a little thick today, but that's good. We have made these, as I said, many times. Well, not many times, a few times. And we've had varying degrees of success.
I thought it was going to be like a liquid.
Fingers crossed that this time will be better. Well, you don't want to be too runny because ultimately you want it to be nice and crispy when we bake them up, right?
Right.
So we are going to cover this. Now, Abby's done a great job of doing these, and how about you take out a few of them and put them on your parchment paper? Use your fingers, come on, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. So when you're taking them out, you're looking to take off as much of the excess batter as you can. So you may have to tappy on the sidey. There you go, kind of perfect. Spread them out evenly on your parchment paper, and boom, into the oven they go.
This one's tiny.
That is tiny. It's gonna be delicious. Think of the little popperness of it. But good point. That's why you want pieces like this size versus even that size.
Even this size.
That's perfect, right?
This size.
Little popper. Want them for our dips?
What dips?
We're gonna finish this up. What dips? Our sweet and sour dip. Didn't I mention the sweet and sour dip? Of course I mentioned the sweet and sour dip. We are going to finish off batch 2, put them in, get them in the oven. And we will be right back. Well, no, we're not gonna be right back. We're gonna be back in 30 minutes because we're gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes, then we're gonna flip them. And then we're gonna put them in. And then we're gonna put them back in for another 10-15 minutes until they're delicious and
so
scrunchy.
Maybe 45.
That's how math works?
Yeah.
No, I thought it was maybe 30. No.
Maybe 15 minutes.
We'll see you in some sort of time later. We put them in the oven at the same time, but there were just too many, and we wanted them to have the appropriate distance. As I said at the top of the show, 3 times we've made these. Every time, completely different. So I don't know what that says, but these, very crispy. Here's our sweet, and they look sick.
Thick.
Oh, thick. I was like,
And they got like crispy on the
thick,
top.
like the kids say, or thick, like I don't know what kids say. Sweet sour sauce, quick make. Watch it here. Really good, really flavorful. You guys haven't tried it. I just tested the temperature by, sticking my finger in it.
It's not like that.
Ladies, gentlemen,
Can we
boys and
just
girls, go. Dippy dippy.
I'm just.
You can try it. You can try it.
I'm gonna
Straight up, dip. Very crispy. Like, really love it.
Can I take a bite and dip?
And you can't double dip. That's disgusting. You don't want to eat your cooties? Ow. Yummy sauce. Made about 1.5 cups, which is great because we're gonna have some egg rolls tomorrow night for dinner, and now we have some dipping sauce for the egg roll.
We are?
Make pad thai. Don't you know?
Nope. Don't pay attention.
Listen,
That sounds so good.
they're still really good. They're different every time we make them. I don't understand it. And we're gonna have to make them a 4th time and see if we can't replicate one of the recipes we've made.
But when
These are much better than the ones that we made last time.
Oh
on
my
Cooking
God,
with Abbey
yes.
that we never shared because they were
They
just
were-
gross.
yeah,
right?
they weren't.
Sauce seems cool.
The sauce seems cool.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that's not a temperature for you. We'll
Very
the minions-
pineapple.
Very pineapple. Well, that's
Yeah.
the
Which I don't really
sour.
like 'cause I don't really like.
You don't like sour or pineapple?
I like pineapple.
I can't eat raw pineapple.
Can't eat it. It's horrible. It'll kill you. Not really.
Makes my tongue itchy.
So, yeah, people, ladies and gentlemen, great alternative to chicken wings. That said, let's make us some chicken wings soon, too. Maybe not soon, but we should definitely make some chicken wings.
Why not soon?
Okay, fine. We'll make them soon.
Yeah.
Not like I have a say in anything here. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
And the notification bell.
And maybe follow.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, too. Oh, the thumbs up. And you know what? We say this, and there's probably like 6 people that make it to the end of the video. But for those 6 people who do,
Huh.
if you could share this with 6 of your friends, we would love that. We don't want to sound like we're begging. But, hit the share button, whether you hit it on the old Facebook, whether you hit it on the old YouTube, whether you just copy paste the link and share it with some friends in an email. We would love that. Thank you so much. You could also just tell them. Well, you can't tell them the link because like youtube.com/WPXY capital A lowercase e. Kind of complicated. It's much easier to share the link. Bye everybody. See you next week.
Bye.
Pretty good though.
No, I was gonna eat that one. Meanie.
No, we just went.